Good morning, everyone. I'm very excited this morning, and I have something very interesting to share. I just moved a few weeks ago from the end of the world, 3 hours away in the country, where I lived as a recluse for many years, to a big city, to the capital of Brasilia. And I'm enjoying it immensely. It's been a big surprise. Unfortunately, being surrounded by so much radiation, Wi-Fi from all the apartments around me, huge cell phone tower about 150 yards or meters that way, another one 150, 200 meters that way, a very powerful modem 10 feet away, 3 yards, and the pain I've been dealing with for many years, which has been getting better and better, got totally worse. I started some very expensive treatments with a very fancy machine from Italy, and I just got worse. To the point where I was thinking, even though I need to be here, I would go run back to the country. And 3 days ago, I got this little machine from England. It's not on the market yet, uh, and it's battery operated. Battery operated, so you can be with it 24 hours a day, 24/7. I plugged it in 3 days ago, 2 hours sitting at my desk, and then I went to take a nap. I took it with me, plugged in the battery, took a nap for an hour, and usually when I wake up from a nap is my worst, I can't understand it, my worst moment. Sometimes a very intense pain. Usually feel like a shitball. That day, after using this thing for 3 hours, I woke up feeling like a normal human being. I can't tell you how excited and happy I was for the rest of the day. This thing has not left my side in 3 days. Last night, I slept for 7 hours. Usually, I sleep for about 5. And I woke up, no pain, and then relaxed in bed for another hour, almost an hour. Never do that. This little machine, which I am calling a personal protection force shield, very Trekky, Star Trekky. It puts out the Schumann waves, not a Schumann wave. It puts out a specific frequency of the Schumann wave, like the perfect frequency, which is, I believe, 7.83 hertz. I used to be into this pretty big many years ago. Still on my site, on my protocol page, is a machine called the Earth Pulse, because it too put out the Schumann waves. It was a plug-in model with these big magnets with too many choices of frequency and programs, and I never really understood it. And at that moment in my life, it wasn't helping me, so I just left it behind, forgot about it. Of course, I've been forging forward in new areas like in hydrogen and chlorine dioxide and many other things. So I feel like a little bit like a fool for leaving it behind. But this machine is more personal. Plug and play, one frequency. The Schumann waves is what the Earth puts out into the atmosphere. Of course, it gets distorted in the cities and with pipes and trains below in the cities and probably Wi-Fi and cell towers, and Musk with his thousands of satellites beaming down. So I guess there's a lot of geometric stress. And it's I hope many people can join me in a pain-free life, because it's the first time in as long as I can remember, actually, that I feel pain-free. It's not on the market yet. The company is going to give me a link by Monday. So next week I'm going to start publishing about it, writing about it, and I guess it'll be on the market in about 2 weeks. So people will be able to pre-order. So if you're seeing this video and you're not on my newsletter, you should sign up for my newsletter from drsircus.com. So you'll be getting the news about this thing, because it's not expensive. In England, it's £200, so that translates to about $300. There's PMF machines all over the place. A lot of people make them in mattresses and different devices. The Earth Pulse is still available. Their most basic unit is $400. And I think this is a real winner.